morning, guys. So today is Tuesday and we didn't really have much going on yesterday. We kind of stayed around the camper and just relaxed. We had to go to my parents' house to do laundry. That's about it. It was a very uneventful day. Today too, I mean, it's noon right now and I'm just now leaving the camper. I cleaned out the Jeep a little bit. I cleaned out my golf bag. I swapped golf bags, took the trash to the compactor, and now I'm just trying to get out of the camper while Bryn's sleeping because she works tonight. I'm out here at Sunset Walk again over by Margaritaville, and they have the Margaritaville radio station here for Sirius, and they play live. They actually have somebody in there right now, Monday through Thursday in the morning, I believe. So that's kind of cool. So if you ever listen to Margaritaville radio and listen to some Jimmy Buffett, right there. So just to hit on it again, it's actually Monday through Sunday, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. here at the Sunset Walk. Yeah, I have a problem, and I understand that. Security line goes all the way back over there. You have to go down and then back up into the security. So I just got done with the Born Stuntacular. That was actually a great show. I'm excited for everybody else to go and see it. It was very action-packed. It was really cool. I enjoyed every minute of it. So hopefully everybody else enjoys it. I mean, it was a great replacement for T2. So today we learned not to go off the boxes because our oven cooks so much faster. Yeah, those are biscuits and they're nice and burnt. So I'm just gonna peel the bottoms off and we're gonna have biscuits. Happy Thursday. I'm just trying to get out of the camper right now. I have made it over here to Disney Springs, as you can see in the background. Somebody sit down back there. But Bryn's asleep, or probably is asleep right now. But I'm just trying to stay out of the camper so she can sleep better. Because I know if I'm walking around on there, it could be shaking, or I could make some loud noises and wake her up, which I don't want to do. So they've really been doing some work on this M&M store. This is where the Fit to Run and Curl stores were. Y'all, I seriously do not know why I do this to myself. It was just too hot. I was only here for like an hour. Not even, probably. Alrighty, guys. I think it's about that time. I'm ready to get rid of this. So here's the after. I'm probably gonna have to have Bryn cut my hair tomorrow. I'm at least gonna ask. So, we'll see. Alrighty, guys. Day 4 of recocking the camper. We got our new sealant there and more mineral spirits. We gotta do the rest of the camper. so I got all of this done here. Got in all the seals, all the different little pieces here. I got down here and a little bit up on the side here. I got all of this, including the windows. The windows were the last thing I got done. And I even got all of this done, including that window and that window, all the way around. So, when I start back up, probably not next week, maybe or probably next week at one point, will be all of this. It's gonna be a process.
Well, I don't have them with me, but it's time to give Matt a haircut again. Matt bought a little kit, I don't know where, from Ross. Comes with all kinds of stuff. So it is super duper early on Sunday, about 5:30, and I am headed out to go fishing. This is like a late Father's Day gift for my dad. We've gone with this guy. It's a charter, so we're going out on a rental boat, and this guy basically takes the guesswork out of it and plops you right on top of the fish. It's great. We've gone with him about 3 or 4 times now, either taking my dad for his birthday or for Father's Day. And so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and hopefully we catch something. All right, so I just parked and made it to the boat ramp, waiting on Carly and my dad. They're running a little bit behind, but that's okay. This place, actually, we're at a new boat ramp this time, and it's a lot closer to me. The drive was not bad at all. It was less than 30 minutes, and we're gonna get out on the water soon and catch us some fish. For the most part, it's bass. Any keepers we'll take home with us, and ooh, they're so good. I'm so excited. Basically, the last time I had fish, I think, was the last time we did a fish fry. But so worth it. Obviously we're done fishing. We were out there for, I mean, a solid 4.5 hours. We've got Matt, as you can see. He did go to Universal. He wanted to pick up the annual pass holder masks for his parents, but it was like, what, buy 3 for $15?
Yeah, 3 for $15.
So I got one. Here, I'll show you. Check it out. We're on our way to my sister's house, and Dad's already cleaning the fish, and we'll probably have them like later this evening because he likes to put them in the batter and like kind of let them marinate in a way. So we'll catch back up with you guys once we're there. Let the vlog know what you just did.
I saved a tortoise's life.
Yeah, you did. Well, he almost died.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
Right
we
in front of
were.
our eyes.
Yeah, it was scary. So we were just minding our own business driving, and Matt notices a gopher tortoise in the road, and a big old truck starts coming towards him. I don't think he even swerved.
He tried to get out of the way.
Didn't look like it. But the poor little guy like tucked in his shell, and he just missed him. Like it looked like he just barely missed him. And then Matt pulled over real quick, jumped out, and took him across the street. So he lives to see another day.
I'll probably go with the old day.
Is this all the fish stuff?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, it was served at the top of the ride. Piece of shit. I don't do it anymore. I did it. Because, I mean, I still do it.
Hey, baby.
She's upset.
What's going on?
This little boy amazes me, you guys. Good job. 3.5, y'all. Mastering this 100-piece puzzle. Woohoo! Oh man, 3 more pieces. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yay! Good job. Let me see. Don't break it. Let me see it. Good job. All right, folks. So that does it for this week's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to go ahead and pass it off to my nephew, Bo, to sign us off. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.